কোন আসছিল বলে কেটে গেল?
So this is Yashkar's baby warmer, which is dual probe control, having skin temperature and temperature sensor, which is having LED light for the more visuality. This is Yashkar's phototherapy model. Also, this is the bubble sip-up machine, which is turbine based, wherein you will get the servo controlled humidifier and the bubble sip-up kit in this. Also, you can use this machine as BiPAP machine also, with the single limb BiPAP machine. Next, Yashkar's portable ventilator, wherein you will get all the three patient types. You need to click on select mode. You can see all the three clinical parameters: adult, pediatric and neonatal. Click on adult and you will get all the modes, clinical modes, machine control, dual control, patient control and all the NIV modes. This is turbine based ventilator, where you will be able to blend the oxygen with this knob. We are having oxygen port at the back. This is the Yashkar's Nebula model, wherein it is 10-inch screen having ETCO2 monitoring facility also. This machine is also turbine based. This is the top model of Yashkar, which is compressor based, having ETCO2 monitoring, 18-inch screen, fully touch screen. It also contains servo control humidifier and bubble sip-up kit. This is YSP 2000i. It is 12-inch screen having nebulizer port and fully touch screen, compressor based. And this is 10-inch model named HVS 3500 XL. It is having nebulizer port and all the patient types: adult, pediatric, neonatal, containing all the modes. Now coming to anesthesia workstation. So we are having three models in the anesthesia workstation: Appen 5000, Appen 4000 and ARIA 25. This is advanced boils anesthesia ventilator, which is named DNA 25. You can fit this DNA 25 in any advanced boils machine. This is ARIA 25. You will be able to get the 2-gas flow rotameter, wherein only 2-gas mixing facility will be provided with the ventilator having 7-inch touch screen. This is our compressor based anesthesia, wherein the drive gas for the bellow is air, not the oxygen, so you will save a lot of oxygen in it. Having 5-tube rotameter, 3-gas mixing. Also it is having ETCO2 monitoring facility, wherein you can just connect mainstream ETCO2 sensor and you can check this ETCO2 data over the screen. This is Yashkar's Ahin 4000, which is also again 3-gas mixing system, but it does not have compressor. You can connect the air line from the hospital and you can run the drive gas over air also, having 10-inch screen. This is the Yashkar's monitor, where you can connect the monitor mid-top box to any of the screen, having 10-inch, 12-inch, 32-inch, 42-inch, whatever the specification suits them best. We are also having autoclavable machine. This autoclavable machine, we are having 2 models, and we are also having OT table, fully electric OT table. You can see electric OT table. You can see electric OT table. Also the OT light. we are also having OT light with the adjustable light control from the touch screen through the control panel.